I've got it. Tell me when you're starting it. Welcome back to Marple Pike Fishing, father and son, and I am into a fish.
Keep him up. Here's a carp. Looks like one, don't say anything.
Ooh, yeah, that's a nice one.
Take your time. Take your time, lad.
This is the first carp?
Yeah, out of it. Well, no, it's the second one.
Oh.
First one, yeah, take your time. Just hold him, Kieran, just wait.
No.
Let him,
Pick about.
Kieran, just wait. Just hold him there, he's going nowhere. Right, go on. Got to swap over.
No.
No, right. Lift your rod up.
I am.
Kieran, you need to bring him to the net now, mate.
Just wait.
Come on.
Take it easy though.
Take your time.
Don't rush it. Right, nice little carp, that.
You got a carp on?
Yeah, take your time.
Give me a carp.
Up with your rod tip.
Up your rod tip.
Keep your rod tip up, Kieran, now.
Come on.
Keep him up, bring him to the net, Kieran.
Push it there now. Push it there. Yeah, well done.
In the net, Kieran.
Tight line.